Welcome back to spreadsheetpoint.com. In today's brief video, I will go over a function that is a game changer for me, which is called Sparkline. So in short, what Sparkline does is it basically creates a graph or a trend line based on one single function. Instead of going into, so say we had the sales data here and we wanted to see the trend. And we would highlight the data like that, insert, chart, there's the data there. Instead of actually having a chart in the file itself or in your report itself, if you just wanted a single function that can do just what we've just done, you will use the Sparkline function. So let's show you how this works. So overall trend, all you do equals Sparkline bracket, and then select your data, your sales data, close the bracket, boom, look at that. It shows the overall trend in one single cell. If you wanted it bigger, you can simply merge the cells like that. This way you can have multiple Sparklines for different types of data. It makes dashboard creation much easier if you're not looking to have bigger charts and actual charts within your report. You'll see if I change this data to 1500, you'll see the trend spikes there and then drops back down to the 750. Okay. What's also great about Sparkline is that there are parameters that you can use. So completion, visual. So we have the task completion data here. There are parameters that you can use within Sparkline. Let me show you what I mean. So data, so the data is here. And then the options, there are many different options you can choose from in Sparkline. I have a help tab here, which shows one of the options that I will show you now. You can even change the type of the chart. And we can also provide a document which shows all of the options, but watch this as an example. So I'm going to choose this data. I'm going to select this data here. Oops. So it's C2. So the chart type is bar chart. The color is green and the max is 100. So look at that. So if you can envision this cell as being 100, you'll see 25 is a quarter of the way there. If I bring this formula down now, look at that. So 100 goes right to the end, 100 right to the end, 80 to there. So it's another way of visually showing this. If I wanted to change this to red, boom, just like that. Okay. Maybe you want the max to be 150. See how it changes the amount of color that's filling the cell? So that's an option as well. Another option too, if you were building your dashboard here, so let's just do, so name, month, let's say some, and then January over to here. This is just a quick little dashboard I'm going to make here. You do an idea of how powerful this is. So name, Lisa, Maggie, Marge, Bart, Homer. Can't forget Homer. So now I'm going to use this function. It's ran between. So I just basically want some numbers here, randomized numbers. Low is, let's say 50, high is 180. It'll give me a number, copy this formula all the way through like that. I will then copy and paste this as data values. And then let's see, I want to see this trend. Sparkline, just like the first example we did, select all of the data, boom, just like that. And then you have a trend showing by month all of these folks' sales trends. So you can get an at a glance look at their performance, essentially. And then you can clean this up a little bit if you'd like. However, whatever your brand is, according to your brand, you can color it as you see fit. You can make these cells bigger, maybe, so you can see the trend better, stuff like that. Okay. So Sparkline, game changer. I hope you found this video useful. For more tips and tricks, please visit spreadsheetpoint.com and don't forget to like and subscribe.